shit, making the big plays in the mortgage game through the sun and the haze. Close more deals, build your success. Time to level up and beat the stress. Get ready to laugh, land and eat. Land and eat. Your weekly scene. Let's go.
All right, everybody, welcome back to another edition of Laugh, Let It Eat the podcast. And as you can see, if you are on our YouTube channel, please, if you're not, go like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have moved our co-host backstage so I can be by myself. And I need to do the proper introduction here, gentlemen, because, or ladies and gentlemen, I should say, because this episode is about our co-host. It's not about me, which is like kind of weird because I'm the host, but nonetheless, it's about our co-host. We've had a remarkable co-host on the show, and I've always been blessed with that. So I wanted to introduce our guys. So before we do that, we made a little clip, and I am known for my clips, so I'm going to try to find one, and then we can introduce our co-hosts, Madison, Keenan, and Justin Neal. So, but first, for your listening pleasure, make sure to go to our YouTube channel, Laugh, Let It Eat, so you can see all this visual stuff we're doing. If you're just listening to us on Spotify or Apple Podcasts, I appreciate that. Thank you very much. But you're going to miss the visuals of Justin walking back to say hi to his dog, get something out of the refrigerator, and this video.
We are your co-hosts in this game.
But only one can rule the mic.
All right, Justin, what'd you get for us in your microphone? What'd you get from the fridge?
I got a little espresso bean thing, chocolate thing.
All right. Did you get to see the video?
I did. I like it. I look good in that video.
Yeah, I was gonna say I kind of messed with the red hair. I think I gotta go red.
You guys want to see it again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't. Do you? All right.
We are your co-hosts in this game.
But only one can rule the mic.
I
couldn't even do that accent. You guys were asking if I could.
You could.
But
We're always up to something here at the Laugh, Let It Eat.
Wait, let her do it. Let her do it. Madison, do it.
But only one. No.
You did it. Come on.
We believe in
What
you,
was
Maddie.
the last part of their sentence? She was like, but only one could be the best.
That was so dramatic.
Rule the mic. Only one can rule the mic.
Only
Said-
one can rule the mic.
Yes. Yes. Guys, what does it feel like to be a co-host with me? Seriously, I've always wondered about that. What does that feel like? Madison, you can go first. Ladies first. You're shaking your head.
It's like waking up on Christmas morning and not knowing what you're gonna get for Christmas. Every day, every time is a gift, but you don't know what you're gonna get every time.
It could be a great gift. It could be a box of coal.
It could be cool, yeah.
Is that
But it like you gotta slowly
You unwrap it and you don't know till you open it up what's inside, and it could be the gift of your dreams, or it could be just a box of a shirt you don't want to wear.
really?
Yeah.
But never cold though. Never cold,
No,
right?
no.
You get a shirt you don't want to
No.
wear. I can live with that, guys. But
No.
a shirt, I mean, a shirt you could, yeah, that's fine. But box of
Yeah.
coal. Really?
That's
that
too
was,
much.
that was
Sorry.
the first thing that came to mind. I'm like, yeah, you just
That's good.
you never know what you're gonna get.
I can't top that. That's Madison 1, Justin 0. I can't top that.
Well, Madison, congratulations.
1 point.
You go. Yeah.
All right, we're keeping score. I'm keeping
We
score.
just had a game show noise to go ding 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 ding, but I guess we don't have that.
You know, I didn't plan on this, but
M and J. Let's
You know,
go.
We'll do old school.
1 point for Madison.
if you must have game show music,
Fobby's like, if you must have a sound effect.
we're here to accommodate. How's that? Right? So, guys, this has been a very interesting week. Did you guys watch the Kevin Walsh report? I mean, the hearing yesterday in Congress? What was your takeaway, Justin? What was your takeaway on him?
I never like whenever I see the clips of the stuff before Congress, it's always like a fight, but it never seems like it goes anywhere.
Yeah.
It's just like people attacking.
Just for sound bites.
Yes.
Madison, do you know what Kevin Walsh is?
The grandstand.
Not entirely, like on a deep level where I listen to like what he's up to all the time. I probably should, knowing what you're probably going to continue with.
No, but who is he?
Fed chair.
Crickets.
Ooh, Justin's got one now. See, we
All
got.
right, shit. See, I can't even name actors and actresses and all
I
that.
can't
So
either.
if you think that
Kevin
I'm
Bacon.
gonna start,
Hey, listen, I'm just your friendly neighborhood game show host.
I like that. That's a good theme song.
We're just, you know,
so
nice.
tell us who he is, and then I'll tell you why I probably don't know who he is.
Well, he's the Federal Reserve chairman now. He replaced Jerome Powell.
Yeah, and see how many episodes we've gone back on and talked about Jerome Powell. And if I let that person dictate my life in this industry, I spent too
Well,
many times during the pandemic hyper fixated on that.
Madison
Madison
two,
two.
Justin one.
Madison just took the lead. We can't afford graphics till we're number 2. So until we get number 2, I'm going to do the graphics by hand.
Yeah,
I'm writing it on the back of my
I thought his overall thing was actually pretty decent, Justin.
In what way?
I thought he was very centrist. I thought he was very I thought he gave, it wasn't always the right answer, but it felt like acceptable answers.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like he's really a numbers guy. He's setting up these 5 little task force to try to stay ahead instead of looking backwards at the numbers, which has always been a big complaint about the Fed. Is like they're always looking at backward numbers, not forward. What's going on at the moment?
Well, we'll see how that plays out, if that's going to change things a year from now.
Yeah, I mean, on one of the committees he has, I forgot their names, but 2 gentlemen that have opposing opinions.
That's good.
I think that's always a good thing when you have 2 people that have opposing opinions, and now you make a decision based on those opinions.
I just don't. I get turned off by the attack and defend of those videos, and I just don't think it goes. Nothing ever comes out of it. No one gets in any trouble.
Well, Justin, I got something special for you, though.
Oh boy, it's Christmas morning.
yeah, literally. Here we
Am I
go.
going to get a shirt? My mom says looks cute.
This may be a shirt gone too tight.
Oh, medium.
So, Justin, you're a recruiter. How many times has somebody called you looking for a job?
Oh, all day, every day.
No, seriously, I'm not even joking. Joking.
I have gotten calls from loan officers that haven't closed a loan in a year and want to jump on our ship and see how they can do. I get those calls once in a while.
Right. But how often do you get one from a loan officer that's closing, like, I don't know, let's just say 4 units a month?
Not often. Never.
Never, right? Doesn't happen, right?
No.
Madison, you ever get a call from a real estate agent that's killing it, and they're like, hey, I just saw your stuff and I want to be partners with you?
Rarely.
Mm-hmm.
I wish.
The first deal is like a guy that's got 565 credit score. Can you do something with him? And he's getting gift money.
Yes.
So, right.
Or it's like literally like the scraps of change in their pocket that they.
I literally got a borrower sent yesterday or 2 days ago to my office by one of my old realtors. True story, this one. Husband does not work, and the wife is working part-time, about to go full-time. And do we qualify for a loan?
Let's go.
Is he home watching the kids?
I didn't even ask. I was like, what are you doing in my office?
Yeah.
Like, you want the free
I've had
coffee? I'll give it to you regardless of what you. Yeah, it's weird. Like, why would a realtor send someone like that to get pre-qualified?
Oh, I had a crazy one last week that was sent to me.
What'd you have?
Realtor calls me, deal's already under contract. Hey, she's trying to use down payment assistance grants to purchase the home, but something's going on with her Mercedes. Okay. Get on the phone with her. She's in some sort of lawsuit or something with Mercedes. And I'm like, okay. She tells me she makes X amount of money. And I'm like, okay, pull credit. She's got an $830 car payment. She makes $49,000 a year.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
And she's trying to do, what's the technical term where you have to basically they come and take your car.
Repossession?
Repossession.
Yeah, so she's in the process of doing that because she claims that there was all these things wrong with the car and this, that, and the other. So the other mortgage lender just excluded the car payment. Just excluded the $830 car payment, and this girl makes $49,000. So she basically called me, well, he's telling me I have to pay the car off now. And I'm like, Well, he should have told you that from the like.
Yeah.
How he qualified
Madison,
you.
Madison, I want to put a pin on that, and I'm going to put this in this little parking lot for you for a second parking lot. Justin, do you got anything crazy, like a real crazy realtor,
Yeah.
crazy candidate story?
None that come to mind, to be honest.
Listen, I want you guys to hear this.
All right.
This is what I'm telling you. Ready? So this candidate, this recruiter referred to me, right? Literally just gave up his license. I can't go to the state because I don't want to give away too many details. Did $60 million a year ago. Now he's not going to not have a license because he had to surrender it. And I'm like, oh, why? He had some kind of, he yelled at his ex-wife, and they charged him with domestic abuse for yelling at his wife. So really?
Oh, for yelling. Likely story.
So then I looked him up on NMLS, right? And so Division of Banking revokes his MLO license because he pleaded guilty or no contest to 6 felony bail jumping charges, pleaded guilty to several misdemeanor offenses, including domestic abuse, related offenses, resisting an officer, controlled substance possession, and cocaine possession, failed to disclose pending felony charges and later guilty pleas on his MU4 filings, made material misstatements to regulators, failed to maintain accurate MLS disclosures, was found to lack the character and fitness required to hold an MLO license.
So you hired him, right?
He's going to be my top producer.
Is this Madison? Is this Madison? Are you talking about? Is that why she's on the show?
It's like, shit, you got my resume?
But here's the thing. We finally found what is required to what would cause someone to lack character and fitness to hold an MLO license.
Credit.
That's all?
I mean, he had me at bail jumping. When he
that sounds like it's fun. It's like exciting. Like, ooh, I'm jumping bail.
But he did it 6 times.
Well, if it's fun, you're going to do it more, right? I mean, how bad
Justin,
is that?
how many judges have to keep putting him on bail? Like, okay, I'll trust you this time to stay.
It won't happen again.
You know what? Good for him for trying, though.
Your Honor,
Good for him for trying. Good for him for
trying.
trying.
Happen again.
All right, I think neither of you guys get a point on this one. I have to admit, this one neither one of you guys know. It's not happening. Sorry.
Bail jumping. I think it'd be exciting.
No, not happening on this one.
I'm in bed by 9 o'clock at night. I need more excitement in my life. I want to go.
Maybe you
You
should.
know what? I go to
become like
bed at 9 o'clock at night.
Call me
sometimes,
after the
because
show, and I will give you his phone number and name, and you guys can hang out.
I want to go.
Yeah.
Fight with cops and bail jump and steal cars and take
Sounds
control.
like a
possession
video.
and
He's like
Cocaine
living a
possession.
video
Don't forget the
game.
cocaine possession.
It was a bag of flour. It was a setup.
No harm, no foul.
You guys are exciting. Too exciting. Okay, so look, we have a few minutes left because Justin has a hard stop at 3, right? So I'm going to play. This is really weird because I did prepare a little bit for this show, guys, and I did my favorite promo clips of both of you two.
Oh boy.
Oh God.
Who wants to go first, Justin or you guys? You want to go first, Justin?
I want to go first.
All right, you guys. So this is my favorite promo clip, and it was quite recent, Justin. So I'm sorry, you know what I mean? But it was recent, but it was the best promo clip that I found of you. Only 26%, Justin, believe loan officers will act in their best interest. Justin.
Sir,
how do you respond to this accusation against you?
I told a client last night, true story on the phone. I said, I'm not incented to push you any direction. I'm incented to give you a good experience and show you what options you have.
How's that even truthful?
Yeah, that's no way.
No, me and Kristen both. Two to 1. You're lying.
No, that's not true. I'm in the percentile. I'm on the right side of this thing.
No, because you get paid if you close a loan.
Yeah.
That's true.
So that means you're incentivized to close a loan.
You're not wrong.
You see, this is why this 26% only believe us.
I built a ton of rapport first, so there's that.
Well, that's the thing. I mean, you have to bridge that gap.
Yeah, I think you just proved Kristen's point, man. Like within 18 seconds.
I was set up. That was a setup. I got bamboozled. I got hoodwinked. I blocked out.
Yeah, I feel like that was the setup.
Are you trying to recant your words, Justin?
I'm not recanting nothing. I stand by my statements.
Okay, so now we go to Madison, right? And then we say, okay,
I'm scared now that was his.
right? So we have to look at
ruthless.
what Madison's best promo was, right? Because and look, Madison, we had a lot to pick from. We
Yeah,
really did.
because I have no filter. Now I'm
I
scared.
mean, we had a lot. There was. It really was like it got. I was like, I can't. Like, there's like I could do a top 5, maybe even a top 20 of just
This is your
Madison.
number one though.
I was split.
Top 3. We'll say top 3.
Well, there's a reason this was top 1.
Okay.
And you'll see once you see the clip. You'll understand, Madison and Justin. You'll both understand. So.
The rates don't scare me. It's just the consumer's attitude towards what's happening right now. Can you sell this pen?
Yes.
That's literally what it feels like right now.
I gotta stop you for a second. Those flowers behind your head make it look like you had ear bunnies. Because I like to base all historical facts off when I started in the industry. So just for the record, if I'm talking historical facts, we're talking about January 3rd, 1994. The world moves forward after that day for me. So never forget that. I don't have to repeat that anymore.
I think, we'll get the obvious out of the ways. Don't go buy a freaking car. Don't go open new lines of credit. And if you do have existing credit cards right now, keep the balances at least 50% or lower.
Are you asking too much of them, though?
No.
You sure? It sounds
Well,
like it feels like
too.
The bunny ears are back.
Starting.
You actually work on loans that need work for 3 to 6 months.
Yes, and those safety, right? There's like 2 ways.
What I don't want people to think is like buying a house is really risky in this market.
No. I think
what's worse, not knowing what the Federal Reserve rate is, or having the bunny ears over your head for the 3rd time doing this show.
So as you can see, guys, I mean, that was
pretty fitting. I feel like that literally encapsulated everything that we've talked about in the last 17 minutes.
See, I mean, that's why
that was definitely like
it was
20. That was like 2022.
Oh,
really? I don't know. I know you
see,
were just...
my lack of caring about the Federal Reserve runs deep. Runs deep.
We have it on record.
It has not changed, and notice I'm still sitting here, so maybe that's a good.
That's a
good thing.
Madison just went up 3-1. Justin, you're falling down, sir. You are falling behind. But guys, those are some good promos. What do you think, huh?
They were.
Yeah, I mean, I think Justin, you got to give credit to Madison for having the bunny ears and just staying.
Oh my God, that's so funny because I'm staring at that picture right now, but I haven't hung it up on the wall yet.
Bobby,
it's gonna go behind the computers though. So
just for the record, Justin, my promos are always very cool.
I know, but where's the silly goofy?
No, there's none like that.
All right.
That wasn't the point. He wanted us to feel that.
Think of a few, but
really.
But who am I to say?
Yeah,
I'm just saying, like there's no recorded evidence of me ever having a foobarb on this show like that. Me making
this show has been my sounding board. It's kept me going through good markets and bad markets.
Madison accused me of always recording the show after the Federal Reserve raised the rates.
Yeah, no, literally.
She would
come on like, "How you doing?" And it was literally for that year and a half period where we were all like, "Okay, maybe this time, nope," and then maybe this time, nope.
Yeah.
So we
how's the mortgage business doing on the ground level for you guys? What's the vibe?
The vibe is interesting. The vibe is off.
The vibe is off?
Yeah.
Explain that.
Well, I just think that there's a lot happening in the world right now. And I have a lot of clients where I feel like, and this isn't a bad thing. This isn't where I'd say it's weird and off. But we're having to think like 3 steps ahead in terms of, okay, if we go this route, da-da-da-da-da. And if you none of them are really like satisfied with like, here's what I have to offer. We have to really like prepare for the worst, prepare for the best, prepare for the unknown sort of situation. So I would say that it's not as there's a lot of hesitance, fear, uncertainty,
Hmm.
like I would say that's the kind of the time that we're in. It's bringing me back to like when the feds were, are they going to raise them? Are they going to lower them? What's going to come? Am I going to buy now? Am I going to wait? Which I
Hmm.
guess is always the case, but I just feel like for whatever reason this summer it's like people aren't jumping on opportunity the way that they were in the past. There's a lot more that has to go into like the structuring and reassuring.
Yeah. Justin, what about you, man? Where are you feeling the vibe?
I agree with Madison. I think that there's a lot of people that are kind of tense that aren't sure what the future will bring. And I feel like their debt ratios are higher than they used to be, or at least what I think is happening. And on their side, they're looking at their budget and maybe not sure what tomorrow would look like for them. So their tolerance for higher payment is less and more reluctant, but that's what they have to do to get the house that they want. So it's still happening. I think I saw a stat today that the business is still out there. It's just that it's sometimes it's more of a headwind to get them approved and get them in a house than it used to be.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely like it's a weird time because like in certain markets, like the one I'm in DC, houses are still moving like within 5 to 7 days.
Same.
And
Right.
like I would say my Jersey and Pennsylvania market same.
Mm-hmm.
Now being down south, I'm getting to see,
Mm.
A
all
little
sides of
slower
this.
activity.
There's a lot things sit on the market a lot longer down in South Carolina. Same with
Mm.
Florida.
Well,
So
Florida's a nightmare right now.
yeah. But I'm noticing, even in South Carolina, I'm like, really? Like a house like this in this neighborhood? Like in Jersey, this would have been gone like
Mhm.
yesterday. Um, but there's also a lot of people, I don't know. It's
Do
I was gonna say one other thing that's
you-
I've been noticing. And I don't know if this is making buyers smarter or dumber, but they keep using ChatGPT. So the
Mm.
questions they're asking are not their original thought, and they don't even understand the question that they're asking me. So
Mm.
as an advisor, it makes my job very difficult to explain things in a way that actually makes sense to them because what chat is asking them to do or chat's telling them to ask me, they're not like unlayering. I
Mm.
don't know how to explain it, but like I can tell the difference between a client who has gone and done their own research and is
Hmm.
coming to me with organic questions versus someone that is coming to me with a checklist. And you know what? It's made them maybe better buyers in the sense that they are going and speaking with multiple lenders at the same time. Obviously, that's not good for us, but I would say in that regard,
Mm.
it's helping them with like the smart shopping, ask them about this cost, that cost, like, but then at the same time, it's like on an overall level, you have no idea what you're talking about respectfully. And I would never go into a doctor's office and ask what tools they're using to operate me on. It's
Mhm.
like that's where I have like the disconnect right now. Like you wouldn't go into the dentist and like ask to see them perform the oral surgery on someone else
Mhm.
just to make sure that they're gonna do it right on you.
Yeah,
And that's what I'm finding is like, yeah, is like
and they think
using
it's okay to do that.
well, a lot of people are just dependent on it for survival at this
Yeah.
point. Like so many people are like they talk like I'm even and I just did it. I'm like, yeah, chat as if chat is a person, right? Like I'm
Oh,
speaking. So I just feel like it's helping and it's hurting our industry and the
okay.
buyers. And I'm noticing it like how it's helping buyers, but then
So
also
when
how it's
someone comes
hurting
to you and says,
buyers.
I went to my Chat GPT and blah blah blah. I mean, what is that? What is
Well,
that?
they're not telling me they are. That's the thing. They're trying to present it as if they're like on the defense a little bit more, like,
Got it.
oh, and what
Mhm.
about this? And can I do like I'm trying to think of
So
like an
how do you know
example
that
that I've had recently.
they've gone to Chat GPT then?
Um, because it's the way that they're asking the questions in comparison to the other conversations that I've had when I'm character profiling and like
Mm.
getting to just know you without like go like when I have a new pre-approval, I don't go through the 1003 from like line by line. It
Hmm.
usually you get that information conversationally. So then
Got it.
all of a sudden, when I feel like we had a good conversation or we're speaking conversationally, and now you're whipping out terms that I know for sure you don't know.
But
Because
do you know
again,
the
because I
term?
deal
But
with a
do you
lot of
know
first time home
but
buyers.
do you know the terms?
Yeah, I
Okay,
definitely
so I'll
know
make
the
sure.
terms.
So I'll make sure.
So that's what
Don't
I'm
get
like.
angry. Don't get. I'm just, it's just like, yeah.
Well, that was a very confrontational question.
Yeah, because I'm just it's changed how I have to show up as a, like I said, as an advisor, as an educator. Um, Sometimes the questions are great though. I'm like, that's a really great
Because I mean,
like angle, you know?
weren't we on the show with Kristen one time where we were encouraging people to use ChatGPT to come back with questions, Justin?
Possibly, it sounds familiar.
I think
It's not a bad thing, but it is if it sends them on the wrong path.
I mean, I think because the consumers are not going to stop using ChatGPT to get answers.
Correct.
No.
So I think it's time that the loan officers do understand that they're going to be held to a higher standard.
Yes.
Which I like, because so many of these, I hate this, idiots in our industry, like they wouldn't even know how to explain certain things that these clients are asking. Like it is forcing you to like know your stuff, right? Like so it's not a bad thing, but I think it does not help with competition and
I think some loan
shopping.
officers are caught off guard. And
Yeah,
they're definitely getting asked questions that they don't know the answers to.
which is fine. And I'm the first one to admit, hey, that's a great question. Let me go ask my back office. Let me go ask my processor. Let me go ask the reno and construction guy. You know, like I've never performed as someone
All right,
that knew
guys, real quick, we're
everything.
coming up on 2 minutes. So I'm going to give you guys one fun thing here.
Oh boy.
You get to ask Fobby a question.
Oh. All right. I got some queued up, but you go first. Madison, you go first.
One question.
I have to think.
I wrote down some good ones.
You were prepared for this?
I was not prepared for this.
How are you prepared? You didn't know I was going to do this.
I have a running list of Ask Fobby questions.
Oh my God. All right, Justin, ask me a question.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
All right. Would you rather hug and kiss a panda or onboard a branch that has 10 staff and did $13 million last year?
The panda.
Who's your favorite comedian?
One question, man. Come on.
Oh, I have more though. I got a whole list.
I know, but it's Madison's turn.
I'm trying to think. Do you think that this market right now is similar to some of the worst markets you've seen over the years, or is this market a healthy market in your opinion, after being in this industry and seeing, the highs and the lows and the ins and the outs?
Yes.
Yes.
The answer
What?
is yes. Yes.
Yes.
I answered your question. We're going on now.
That wasn't even a yes or no question. Damn, you really know how to get under
I think
my
we got to do an Ask Fobby.
This is the coal gift. This is when Santa puts coal in your stockings.
Oh, that's a clip right. Clip that. Clip it. Put it on the thing.
Look, this market is obviously, every market repeats itself. We've been through this before. I mean, this is actually, I'll be very frank with you guys. I think this is a very good market. People don't understand the way I say this, because we are at the beginning of a seller's market, which we've not been in part of in years, right? So there's a lot more willing sellers in certain markets that are willing to cut bargains. So if you're a buyer who's been waiting for a market to go buy a house, you might not get the house that you want in the area that you wanted, but if you're looking for bargains, they're out there today.
Mm-hmm.
And so optimize and use this moment to go buy houses.
See, I knew you were going to say it was a good market. I knew it. Because every time I've been in this, or since I've been in this business, when all the noise around me is telling me it's a bad market, Fobby is the one that will tell me, like, no, this is like, you always put the perspective shift. That's why
because
I
it's
appreciate
the
you.
truth. Because if you're looking for bargains, you couldn't find bargains in 2020. No seller was going to give you any bargains.
No,
Nowhere.
I think this is a good, healthy market right now,
Ashland,
too.
Kentucky, and you were not going to get any negotiation power. Right now, you can negotiate. All right, guys. We're going to end the show right now, guys. Thank you all for being good co-hosts. I love you guys.
Bye,
you guys are great. I'm sorry for any coal I gave you, but as far as a shirt that doesn't fit, that's not my fault. Lose weight. We'll do whatever you got to do. Figure it out, okay? But no more coals. No more coals. All right? See you guys. Take care. And we're out. Where is it?
Talking leadership, making the big plays in the mortgage game through the sun and the haze. Close more deals, build your success. Time to level up and beat the stress. Get ready to laugh, land and eat. Your weekly scene. Let's go.